Hello, magandang umaga po mga ka-drawing. Gusto nyo bang matutong paano kopyahin ang mga pictures? Kung oo ang sagot nyo, panoorin ang video na ito. Kagaya nung sa una nating pinag-aralan kung paano gumawa ng shade and shadow, ito yung value scale kung saan dito natin kukunin kung anong kulay o anong value ng shade and shadow na gagamitin natin sa isang particular na dinodrawing. Kagaya nito, ito dito ginamit sa box o sa kahon na ginawa natin nung una. Ito ang paraan ng paglalagay ng shade. Kagaya ng sinabi ko noon, isang direksyon lang ang pag-apply. Dito, ginamit natin ang medium dark sa side na ito. Dahil ito ay talikod sa araw. At medyo mas nakabilad sa araw. Ang kasunod ay ang paglalagay o pagdetermine ng source of light o yung ilaw kung saan nanggagaling ang liwanag. At dito malalaman natin ang paano kukunin ganito ang paraan upang malaman kung saan ang shadow niya. Dito makikita nyo ang shadow dito pumapatak. At dito natin ngayon ito lalagyan ng shade o ng shadow. Dito naman sa ginawang parang piece of cake, lalagyan natin ito ng shade sa banda dito. At dito naman ang shadow. Dahil lang ating araw ay nanggaling dito sa likod, ang shadow nandito sa harap. Yan. So, unti-unti natin itong lalagyan ng shadow. Ganyan ang tamang paghawak ng lapis sa paglalagay ng shadow. Nakahiga upang sa gayon, mas malapad ang maguhitan ng lapis, ma-applyan. At pwedeng gumamit ng daliri upang ikalat ito at maging pantay ang paglalagay ng shade and shadow. Dito sa ginawa nating parang coin or drum, lalagyan natin dito ng shade. Dito madilim o mas maitim na shade. Then habang lumalapit sa araw o sa source of light, lumiliwanag siya. Pwede na rin natin itong i-blend ng kamay. At lalagyan natin dito ng shadow. Ang shadow ay mas maitim dito sa mas nakokoveran sa bandang ilalim ng object. Mas maitim. Ito ang tinatawag nating ombra at penombra. So, ang ombra yung nasa loob at yung nasa labas, ito ang penombra. Okay? So, dito naman, matapos tayong maglagay ng shade and shadow sa solid na object, sa square, triangle, and circle, gagamitin na naman natin yung ibang shape, kagaya ng cylinder, cone, and sphere. Sa paglalagay ng shade Dito mas maitim sa bandang gilid, at habang lumalayo sa gilid ay nagiging light. Ganun din dito. Ang source of light natin dito naman ang galing sa kanan. Kaya dito mas maliwanag, dito mas madilim or mas dark. So gagamitin natin yung shade and shadow ng value scale. Gagamitin natin ito, mga value na to dito. Dark, high dark, medium dark, dark, low dark, medium light, and light. So ang highlight ay nandito kung saan malapit kayo sa source of light. Ito ang highlight. Ganon din sa cone, gagamitan nyo ng angle, kung saan anong angle na ng source of light, doon papatak yung height ng cone. Then lalagyan ng shadow. Then dito ang shade nito. Dito nga pala sa tinatawag nating cylinder, kung nandito yung shade o yung angle of light, so dito din papatak ang shadow. So ito ang shadow niya. Dito mas darker. Much darker. As well as here, the shadow is darker near the base, and here the shadow is near the base, darker near the base. And to apply shade, you are going to make more darker in this side, away from the sunlight or the source of light, and then gradually become lighter, just like in the value scale. So it will reveal the true shape or the true sphere. So that is how we apply shade and shadow on solids. Okay, so this is the angle. The reason why we have to study the shade and shadow rendering of these solids, because this will become part of our learning in making a portrait. This part will become the head of the object or of the subject, and this one will become the face. This area is the face, and we are going to apply shade and shadow here depending on the source of light. And this one is the chin part, the part of the chin here. Here is the chin of the subject. The cone will be used for this part. So if we are going to incorporate the tree in our drawing, this will be the composition. This one is the head, the spear. This part is the cylinder part. It depends upon the shape of the subject here. And this part is the chin. Yes, this is the chin of the subject. depends upon then we are going to locate where is the eyes, the nose part, and the mouth. So by these examples, we are going to apply it in the portrait. Like this one, there are different style of how are you going to copy. The first one that I will teach you is how to copy the subject or your model using the square technique or the bar, the graph technique, wherein you are going to divide the picture using the ruler into 7 parts or 7 divisions per centimeter. So you are going to divide it into 7 centimeters, and then number the box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the height, for the height, you are going also to make a division using the ruler or the centimeter. Divide it into centimeter. Depends upon how many centimeter you can divide. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1/2. So in this division, we are going to transfer it. So here in the picture, we use centimeter, but in our drawing paper, wherein you are going to use typewriting only here, but you can also use a much bigger drawing paper like illustration board. But here we are going to use in transferring distance, or we are going to use inches. Now is inches. So that's the difference. That's why the drawing will become much bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It depends. If you use 7 or 8 here is 7, so you are going to use also 7 divisions in the drawing paper that you will be working, and also divide the height of your drawing paper using inches also, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a half. So when you're using 8 and a half, only this part will be copied here. So as you can see in my sketch, I put numbers on the top and on the side here to be able to locate where is the part of the subject. Like here, the ear is in the number 6. So in your drawing, you are going to locate the ear also in the number 6 using the technique that I have teach you in the previous lesson about sketching a line. So here you are going also to sketch the line, and then the hair or the outline of the hair here. Then here you will see the ear is in number, what number is this? Oh yeah, 6 also. or between 5 and 6. Here, 5 and 6. That's why we also put here in the drawing between 5 and 6. The other ear here. So you are not going to make the sketch bright. Just make it light as you can. So you are going to locate the chin here in number 7. You can see number 7 is here, and then chin is here, number 7 also. Chin is here, number 7. So you are going to locate the parts whereas it is in the subject and in the drawing per se, or the actual drawing that you will be making. And then you are going to locate the eyes. Eyes is in the number 5. So here number 5, and the eyes is also here. So you are going to draw the eyes. Yeah. Then the nose is in number 5 and 6. The nose is between 5 and 6 here. That you can see the line, and you can see the line here is between 5 and 6. So you are going to locate it here. There. The mouth is in the number 6. So that's why you are going to draw the mouth here also in number 6. You can see here. So that is how are we copying the what we call the portrait. And I'm going the next lesson that I am going to show you is how to apply shade and shadow to this drawing. So that is the next part of our tutorial. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope if you like this lesson or the tutorial, please subscribe and like the video or share it in your friends. Thank you very much. Happy watching. Enjoy your watching the tutorial.